You know the fastest bird, deadlier and flies through the sky like a bullet? Like and subscribe to my channel if you love more about animal facts. Meet the Peregrine Falcon. This bird isn't just fast, it's the fastest animal on the planet. It dives at 242 miles per hour, faster than a skydiver in free fall with no parachute. Its eyesight, 8 times sharper than ours. It can spot prey from over 3 kilometers away. Its brain has built-in anti-G-force protection, so it doesn't pass out at high speeds. Nature literally designed it like a jet pilot. And when it strikes, it's a precision-guided missile with claws. One hit and dinner's served. You just met nature's deadliest speed demon.